I'm Kayla, and thank you for supporting our team by participating in the Botcat STEM Kits. In this video, we will be showing you how to make Oobleck. Oobleck is a crazy weird substance that is both a solid and a liquid depending on how you play with it. Alright, in order to make Oobleck, we're going to need the following ingredients. 2 cups of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, a large bowl, a spoon, and food coloring if you want it. Okay, so the first step is to lay out some newspaper or make sure you're outside because it can get messy. And now you're going to want to add the 2 cups of... The first step is to lay out a newspaper or make sure you're outside because Oobleck can get a bit messy. Next, you're going to take your 2 cups of cornstarch and pour it into the bowl. And then you'll take the 1 cup of water and pour it over the cornstarch. And then stir it. If you want to, add some food coloring so it changes color. And then a liquid when...
That's so cool. I understand how it goes from a solid to a liquid, Kayla.
That's the properties of cornstarch. I actually kind of...
Wait, can I still punch it with my bare hands?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it has to do with kinetic and potential.
Okay.
Make sure you like grab it in your hand and squish it into a solid. Punch it down. Now grab some in your hand and squish it. Thank you for participating in our STEM Kits. Make sure you clean up when you're done. Bye. Now you have a substance that's a solid when you punch it or grab it, and then a liquid when you let go or stir it.